Hey guys, it's Dee. Hope you're all well. I'm doing a photo shoot today with Sarah. Sarah, say hey! And all the pictures will be up on my Instagram page, which I'll link down below. I hope you guys enjoys, and I'll see you guys soon. Enjoys. Okay, so this is Sarah's first outfit. She's got her boots too. You want to spin around? Maybe more in the better light though. Here's fine. Maybe on the wall. And then just give a spin around of your outfit. Do you know where you got your stuff from, or?
This one I got from Chicabooti. This I got from H&M, and that I got from Novo.
Cool. So that's the outfit rundown, and we'll see you guys on my page. Okay guys, so this is the location that I've chosen. It's Reedy Hill train station. Sounds pretty scary, but it's got some good spots to take some photos of. And look, we have a visitor too, who looks like he wants to commit suicide. Hey, don't go beyond the yellow point. I sound really crazy right now because Sarah's gone to change and I'm talking to myself basically, or to you guys, but no one knows that. So yeah, there's quite a few good spots here in Reedy Hill train station that are really good for like taking pictures for outfits and stuff. I have someone staring at me, so yeah. But yeah, we've shot near the brick walls. There's a few hedges here that we've taken pictures near, and the stairways as well. We got some really good shots near the stairways, so I can't wait to post these pictures up. It's like the first non-DEE sort of inspired shoot that I've done, so it's gonna be pretty cool and a really new experience. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, so you wanna come on this way? Yeah, sure. Oh, maybe I should talk first. Okay guys, so this is Sarah's next outfit, and you know where everything's from, right?
This is from H&M. This is from.
Oh wait, hang on. Let me just check if this is even recording us. Okay, go.
So this is from H&M.
Yeah.
This is from Maxx.
Yeah.
This is Converse.
Converse, and just give us a squirrel. There we go. Okay guys, so stay tuned for these shots. Hang on, just 1 sec, okay? Sorry. Okay guys, so the photo shoot is finished. I'm back home now, if it's not obvious. You can see my towels in the background, but yeah, the photo shoot was really fun to do. We enjoyed it a lot. She had 3 outfits. I didn't get to show you guys the first one because I didn't think about vlogging it, but I was like, hey, why not put some, you know, photography content onto my page, because that's kind of my hobby, so I thought why not share it with you guys. The reason we did the shoot was because she's got a fashion Instagram page that she wants to create. And so she was like, hey Dee, can you please help me out and just take some photos for me? And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So that's what we did this shoot for. This video is going to be probably only a few seconds long, or maybe even just a minute or under a minute. There wasn't much that I wanted to vlog in terms of the actual photo shoot. I kind of wanted to make sure that her poses were, you know, in her comfort zone, so that if I was vlogging it, she would not probably be so comfortable, and then it would show in the photos, especially in her face, and wouldn't be good for the photos itself. And then I wanted to keep how we use the location to ourselves. Obviously you'll see that in the photos, and that's the whole point. But yeah, kind of wanted to just vlog and show you her outfits and where she got it from, and show you the location in general, and then kind of just introduce us, introduce her. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think below, because I am planning to do a lot of photo shoots this year. It's been a hobby that I kind of started maybe in October or November last year. So yeah, it's kind of a new thing that I really want to do. I love fashion photography, and like I said, this whole shoot has moved aside from the 2 DEE inspired shoots that I've done. So this is going to be something really different, more Western inspired. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if I should put more videos like this up, and yeah. Okay guys, so I've only just started taking photos for people for fashion inspired looks just recently last year, like I said. And I think there's like this question with us beginner photographers on like what we should wear to our photo shoots, whether we have to look completely professional or can we be casual, or do we have to wear what our models are wearing? Does it have to be inspired to what they're wearing? And I think that's one question that I always had, especially when I first started off. So I just wanted to share with you guys all what I wore to this photo shoot. Hers was obviously street style fashion, but I was like, you know, it's a pretty casual setup, and so I decided to wear this plain singlet, and I just tied it up just to give it a little bit of a touch of fanciness. And then you can't see it, I'll go up here, but I've got my Adidas leggings, and yeah, I was pretty casual in the way that I dressed up for the shoot. I think that if you're going to something that's a little bit more formal, or a little bit more professional, or some sort of event photography that's for a special occasion like a wedding or something like that, I would definitely suggest you wearing something a lot more formal. Doesn't have to be all pretty princess and flowy dresses or suits and ties and all that stuff, but yeah, just look presentable, I guess. And I could have rocked up without wearing my makeup, but I thought there has to be a certain level of professionalism in the way that you look when you go for these things, despite, you know, just being a beginner. So I did do my makeup and I did my hair, even though I look like that. I don't watch, I'm gonna get so much hate, but I'm not a fan of Harry Potter, but that thing that all the girls always get compared to, like if you tie your hair up really, really tightly and then have your bun just be the one thing that's poking out, which mine is on one side, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, just looking presentable is really important. Doesn't matter if you're casual or formal, just look presentable. That's the main thing. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like every shoot that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be learning something new, so I might as well end off giving a tip every time I do something like this, just to kind of share my experience and help someone else out as well. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys.